In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate multiple Google Calendars seamlessly. This can be especially useful if you manage multiple accounts or want to consolidate different schedules into one easily accessible space. So, grab your devices and let's get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once it's loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. You should see all your existing calendars displayed on the left-hand side. Now, we're going to focus on that side panel where it says Other Calendars. There, you'll notice a plus symbol. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to accessing additional calendars, whether you're importing one or creating something brand new. When you click that plus sign, you'll see an option that says Subscribe to Calendar. Click on that option. Subscribing to a calendar allows you to pull in schedules and details from another Google account directly into your primary calendar view, which is exactly what we're going to do here. Next, you'll want to provide the details for your second Google account. This is the account where the other calendar currently exists. Enter your email associated with that account. By doing this, you're essentially telling Google Calendar, hey, this is the account I want to pull the calendar from. After you've entered the email address, you'll need to select Request Access. This step is crucial. By requesting access, you're essentially asking for permission to view and interact with the calendar events from your other account. Once you submit that request, Google Calendar will work its magic behind the scenes. You'll soon receive an email on the account you entered. This email contains an invitation to share the calendar between the two accounts. Make sure to check your inbox and possibly the Spam or Promotions tab, just in case it gets filtered there. Once you've located the email, it'll look like a standard invitation, with a link included. Click that link to accept the calendar sharing request. By doing so, you're allowing the information from the second account to flow seamlessly into your main calendar view. Now, head back to your primary account. You should see a notification to add this to your calendar. By clicking this, you're integrating the calendars, and from there on out, everything syncs automatically. Finally, you can now view, edit, and manage the events from both accounts in one unified space, creating a streamlined and efficient schedule management system. Enjoy the newfound organization, and remember, with this setup, you can now easily toggle views for each calendar at will. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated multiple Google Calendars, ensuring you'll no longer miss an important event or double book yourself. Happy scheduling!